Hi, I'm Phil Badger from Property Brokers and proud to bring you this property in Miri Road, Rotorua. It's 76 hectares in total with approximately 8 hectares of Queen Elizabeth Reserve on it that goes down to the Ngongotaha stream. Property is currently being used as a dairy support unit for another dairy farm, but would easily convert to growing good beef cattle. So if you're looking for a block of land that's got good contour and good location, come and give us a call.